how to put videos side by side on CapCut. So if you want to put videos side by side on CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, you can just simply go with your videos. So go with a new project, go with import and then import and import two videos. Once you have the two videos, go with open. And now what you need to do is just simply drag and drop both the videos and make one video on top of the other like this. And after that, you can go with the first video and decrease the scale, and go with the second video and also decrease the scale for that. And after that, adjust the videos side by side or wherever you like. And if you play the video, then you'll have this kind of interface. That's how you can make videos side by side on CapCut. Make sure the ratio is set correctly, and then you can export and you'll have this kind of interface. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.